play with it. I'm going to use some eggs and you can make some breakfast for me. What do you think? I love this thing. It makes so much noise. Dip you on the toes. Easy. You know you gotta wash this when you're done. Yeah, don't on me. I don't think I want you to have that. Nope. There's a whole cabinet full of stuff. Are you done? You're going to shut the cabinet when you're done? Ooh, what's your nose? Ah, the fingers, the fingers! Stick them done. Make sure you don't get okay.
Why is 4 minutes too much?
Yeah, then it's too big to send. And I don't have the stuff with the software to cut it.